Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my space. To all my supporters and all my channel members, thank you so much for the love and support. As you can see by the title, I am making a delicious recipe, healthy oatmeal banana nut bread. Come along with me. Let I show you how Sister J make this bread.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap.
So here are the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be using some pecan, cashew, almond, and I'll be using the quick oats. I will not be blending out the oats. I could have done so, but I choose not to. So I'm using the oats just like this. And I'm using nutmeg, some oil, some vanilla, and I'll be using 1 egg, a little baking powder, and yes, the banana, which is the star of the show. Yes, guys, I'll be also putting some flax seed, and I'll be using almond milk. Now I'm just mashing up these ripe bananas, and then I'll be adding the almond milk to it. The banana is sweet, and I'm using the sweetened almond milk, so I won't be using any other form of sweetener. So no sugar in this one. So now I'm adding the oil. You can also use melted butter for this. I'm using some vegetable oil. I'm adding the vanilla now.
Everybody you don't know, subscribe. Remember, chat box this attack.
I already have my egg beaten. So now I'm adding the egg.
Food tastes nice. Food tastes good, yo. Yo, pass a plate right now. No joke. You must say, Sister J, big up yourself.
Now I'm adding the oatmeal. I'm using the quick oats. I'm gonna add the flax and chia seed and some nutmeg. Now I'm adding some almond and I'm adding some cashew. So now I have my pan grease. I'm using the spray. And then I'm gonna add the butter. After which I'll be topping it off with the pecans. So inside the butter we have the cashew and the almond. Now I'm topping it off with some pecans. So I'm setting my air fryer for 360 degrees and I have it preheated and I'll be timing it for 20 minutes. There you have it, my beautiful people. My healthy oatmeal banana nut bread is ready. Looking good, if I may say so. So yes, here I take it out of the pan. And now I'm gonna slice it, let you see what it looks like. So guys, as you notice, I did two. I put one in the oven and one in the air fryer. The one in the air fryer finish it in 20 minutes and the one in the oven finish in 35 minutes. Yes, guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Guidance. Yeah, man.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the